Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add extension repositories to Cloudstream. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Cloudstream as you see from here, and from here you need to go to the settings menu. After that you need to click on extensions as you see from here on the down corner, and now you need to click add repository. So from here you need to add a repository name and the repository link or number. So how to get the name and number? The first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and search for Cloudstream extensions. After that you will find a lot of list of extensions sites as see from here. You need to click on any of them. So as see from here you will find a lot of extensions. So you can just copy any of these extensions as see from here. Also you can just click the link to install directory like this. So it will just open the repository and install it for me. So I can install any of these like this, and it will install on my phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.